Okay, and welcome to the first lesson of Level 6, Twilight, or Lesson 16 in Level 1, Part 1 of our textbook, Dating. We need to know a couple vocab words for the first lesson, which is how to talk about good impressions. The first word we need is impression, which is 印象. Now this refers to a specific kind of impression. It's the impression you get when you say, I have a good impression of this person. This person made a good impression on me. So that kind of impression. Again, this is 印象. 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 And how do we say A has a good impression of B? Well, there are two ways to say it, and these two ways require the use of two prepositions. The first preposition is 对. The second preposition is 给. All right, they have slightly different meanings. First one, A 给 B 的印象很好. This means A to, because that's what the 给 means, to B's impression is good. A 给 B 的印象很好. Textbook sentence. Leo 给王鹏的印象很好. So Leo has given to Wang Peng a good impression. All right, this is one way to use 印象. The second way to use 印象 is to use 对. A 对 B 的印象很好. A 对 B 的印象很好. And this means A to B has a good impression of. So A has a good impression of B. All right, so that's the difference between A 对 B 的印象很好 and A 给 B 的印象很好. Let's look at an example sentence. Textbook. Leo 对王鹏的印象很好. Leo has a very good impression of Wang Peng. I want to stress that when you want to say you have a good impression of someone, you must use either one of these two structures, either A 给 B 的印象很好 or A 对 B 的印象很好. Okay, you must do it in this specific word order. For example, I want to say I have a good impression of you. I would say 我对你的印象很好. How do I say I don't have a good impression of you? I would say 我对你的印象很不好，很不好. So you always want to use the structure when talking about impressions. All right, it's just a specific phrase you need to use. All right. Now there are two more words in this lesson when we're meeting people and we're having impressions about them. Well, how do you ask someone for their telephone number? All right. The first word we want to learn is cell phone. This is a kind of 手机是一种电话, but it's a specific kind of literally a hand device that you can use in your hand. All right. So this word is 手机. 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 Cell phone. And the second word is 号码. 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 So I can say things like, for example, 电话号码, telephone number, or 手机号码, phone number, cell phone number, 手机号码, cell phone number. 你的手机号码是什么? What's your cell phone number? All right, and that's another phrase that we're going to use in this lesson. Okay, thanks for listening.